Hello everyone, welcome back my channel Coding Crowd. I hope you all are doing well. So let's start this video. So as you know, we have completed our topic, which is the types of error in a last video. Now we are going to start our new topic, which is exceptional handling in a Python. Right, handling exceptions in a Python. So let's begin this topic. First, before start this topic, let's take one scenario. Right, let's understand this topic with any scenario. What is exception handling and how does it work in a code, right? So suppose you are driving a car on a road and suddenly deer jumps in front of your car and you have to apply the brake immediately to avoid hitting the deer, right? But when you have to apply the brakes, you realize that they are not working correctly and the car does not slow down as expected. In this situation, you have to take immediate action to avoid this collision, and like steering the car is safer spot or using a handbrakes to slow down the car. In this situation, this is a similar as an exception in a Python, and the deer is in front of car is like a unexpected condition or error that can occur in a program, right? So the faulty brakes are like a bug in the program that causes it to malfunction. Just like how the driver had to take immediate action avoid the collision, program may that try to recover from an exception by taking appropriate action, like logging the error, displaying an error message, or terminating the program gracefully. So this is how it works. So here are some key concepts related to exception in a Python. So Python is allows you to handle using a try except statement. The try blocks contain that may raise a exception, right? So try what is contains, they may raise an exception, and while the except block that contains the code that executed when an expected is raised, right? So let's start this topic and take one any example. So let's take a zero division error exception, right? What happened when zero division error is occurring? So try and x is equal to 10, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to x divided by y, right? So accept zero division error, accept zero division error. Okay. So what we can print here? So we can print here, sorry, we can print here like error message. Error message is like cannot divide by 0, cannot divide by 0. We can type a message like this. So let's execute this code and see what is our answer. So here is instead of giving this error, it is giving me this error cannot divided by 0 because x is a 10 and y is a 0 and we want to x divided by y. So there if we will not try this code, then it will give me a simple error which is a zero division error. But when we try this try and accept statement, then it is giving me a error cannot divided by 0. So this is how we can handle the errors. And our next topic, which is the raise exception, so will this topic start in our next video. I hope you understand this topic, how it is work in a code. If you have any question, you can raise in a comment section. And if you like my video, then please like this my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.